Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, it's Bub here, and this was 2024. It is asking us for privacy settings, so we're going to go ahead and skip over that. The main feature of Zorin OS is to be able to switch between appearances. Calendar looks the same, so I'm going to go ahead and let this install. I'm not ssure if that's because I used a UP dump or if in our start menu here we can see that we're missing a lot of apps. So as you can see, this is the desktop of alright, and here we go. I'm not actually sure what that it looks like. Real MSN. Let's see if we can get VMware Tools installed so we can get a better little experience here. This is like the Windows 10 taskbar, which does open, and we can see this is a fully functional calendar. We're also missing animations, like as you notice when we open. I bet if we go to About This PC, it should to the Tiny11 image creator. Wow. Okay, Windows XP 7 Miser. Okay, that's pretty cool. Moving into the task manager so we can actually see what we're using. This VM has, let's see what specific version of Windows this is. The Windows administrative tools. Again, we have My Documents, My Computer, My Network, Places, and Internet Explorer. While we're here, I want to take a look at the actual file explorer. So let me open up my computer here. Notepad looks like a typical notepad. Going ahead into in the file explorer rather, I just noticed the transparency effect that was, yeah, it literally just opens settings, but it's really slow. Typical administrative tools, the file explorer, here's this logo. That's why I never saw this before. Like, I've never seen this screen and I was very confused last. So we can see the Rectify 11 Control Center, which is just the control panel window. And then we have, let's see, XPS Viewer, all kinds of fun accessories. It's a typical Windows 11 calculator. Going to all programs. See, prior to Windows 8.1, there was no top bar that you could bring your cursor up to select, minimize, or X. I guess we are not privileged enough to go to Google. Let's see what kind of backgrounds. Okay, that's it. Okay, so don't try to resize settings. It doesn't work. And that does appear to be, oh, so there's two speakers, PC and Windows PowerShell. Back in after my little spiel, we have Windows Media Center, which I'm hoping is the magic, and this is Quick Center. So previously, you may recall there used to be an edit button right here with VMware Workstation. We should be welcomed. And here we are. So the first, I don't even know what this does. I really have no idea. In the start menu, by default, we have two things pinned. We have opening start menu, we can see that we only have two things pinned. We have settings and file explorer, compression for different RAM amounts. One thing I just noticed is when I right click, it looks like, again, the Linux Tor Windows XP, which I actually love this Tor, but I won't play it because I know it's going to blast in your ear. And Classic 7 has a first time use setup utility, Oven Builder. On the taskbar, we have our Show Desktop button, which is but we can actually see here, this is Windows 10 settings, like they brought this back. 2024 was also a really big year for my YouTube channel. On January 13th, just shortly after the year began, we reached 10,000 subscribers, and over the course of this year, we're now at 12,500 subscribers. As for video views, we're near 5 million total views across this channel. That is incredible, especially considering that I deleted all of my old Minecraft videos this year too. So all of those are gone from the channel as well and don't count towards that 5 million. 5 million views of pure technology content. If you watch my videos, you know that I don't talk much at all about my personal life. But 2024 was the year that I passed both exams to become officially a Cisco Certified Network Professional in the Enterprise track with a specialization in enterprise routing and services. I'm impressed with myself that I could even do this. If you watched the previous New Year specials, you know that IT certifications are something that I've worked on. I hold several while actively working in the IT networking and cybersecurity field. It is just an honor, and I'm impressed with myself that I was able to achieve that. But with that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new around here, as we do all kinds of different technology videos, including device restorations. 2024 was a great year. Let's make 2025 an even better one. I hope you all have a great new year, and I wish you luck in 2025.